Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.